Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, what's up, what's up? I've just sent out the link now, so we'll get started in a minute. So yeah, bear with us, bear with us, bear with us. Round 2, SMFL. NCL. I really like this this play right now, SFW. What's up, Pastor bro?
What's up? Yeah, SMFL just wait for high and low and they should go.
Watching this SMFL. SXTP, how's this one looking? A lot of people talking about this. SXTP. I'm looking for 170 on this next.
AN and X. 5 minutes trying to reverse.
Let's have a look at it. BR. Let me check this BRLI as well, actually. Someone just said BRLI. This thing is not looking good. 1235 need on that. I'm going to watch this SFW and SXTP. What was that one you just said? AA or something, right?
AN and X.
Yeah, falling wedge as well. This looks very good. I like this chart a lot. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Agri, yeah, a lot of people talking about Agri. This one's setting up right now as we speak. ANNX or AANX. Here. This one should break out as well. So we should expect a break on this. Volume looks great on it as well. So keep this. This one should be possibly worth entries, to be honest. So this one we're expecting a breakout, simple, usual falling wedge chart where you usually see this on that. I'm going to have a look at this LLAP and then I'll get to you guys now on YouTube. LLAP is a bullish chart, so this looks good. 120 is what I would need for this though. I like this trend.
DMK falling wedge.
Which one?
DMK.
BMK.
DMK.
Oh,
D.
Oh yeah, that one that just ran. This one just ran nuts, didn't it?
Yeah, basically.
Morning, Nick. Morning, guys. Morning. Does Pirzo have another run to 2 in it? Pirzo. Yeah, it should do. Strong momentum. I mean, look, it's up 75% yesterday and up 35% today. So expecting a second day runner, which it is pretty much up already. So we do expect this one to continue to go to upside. It is in this demand zone right now. You can mark this $2 psychological level as well, just for a heads up.
SMFL retesting right now. SMFL looks good.
Yeah.
SMFL should go.
$2.
Needs to close above 2.7, yeah.
Here we go. Falling wedge as well. Does Pirzo? Yeah, so Pirzo, yeah, I expect it to go to $2 again. What's up, DJ? Yeah, hook go again. Hook. Yeah, there's the hook, $1. I actually missed it. Damn. I missed my entry on this. Sadly. I wanted to get into $1. This is where I wanted to get in a $1 break. Would have been my 5% there, so I'm not going to get in now. Too late. I missed it. SXTB still going. Hour chart, SXTB. Yeah, SXTB looks good. This is the one I just mentioned earlier. It's just respecting this. We're just respecting this. Yeah, hook's running. It broke that $1. For me, it's up too much or too high from where I wanted it initially. I actually wanted that $1 break. I missed it. Pretty much when I started the stream, it started going. So I just noticed that now. For me, I'm not going to enter. I feel like I'm chasing, so I will avoid it.
What's up, guys?
Here's SXTP right here, guys. This is your chart in the demand zone. There's no clear trend. It's not really in an uptrend, right? If we're looking on the 15-minute. It's simply just trading within this range, just consolidating at the moment.
Come
So
on, SMFL, run, baby.
no real price, no trend at the moment. You can wait for 170 for continuation, but it does have room to $2. That's where the next resistance level is, so definitely worth a watch. SMFL. So that's good on the 1 minute. So SMFL, yeah, it's like this. There you go. Did you post this chart on your Twitter?
Yeesh.
Yeah, SMFL looks good. So let's see if it comes down to like this zone here. Let me have a look. Here we go, demand zone. Here we go, right here. And then here, so this is setting up for a breakout. So obviously it's coming down. See if it comes down to around this 230 level and then hopefully pushes up and breaks out if it doesn't already go now on this SMFL. So this looks very, very good. What else is moving? Meso, yeah, someone asked me about Meso. I have it here. It is still in this falling wedge. It's just the volume has really pretty much died off on this, but it is still respecting this falling wedge. But for me at the moment, I'm not really too interested in it. You should expect it to break out, but with the volume at the moment, it's a little difficult. So 120 is like, yeah, 119, 120 is where I would possibly look for entries. But at the moment, yeah, it is still coming down a bit, unfortunately. SING. This is a larger time frame I have. It did break that downtrend which we had, but I don't really like this price action on this. I know it's up 41% or whatever it is, but just because it's up that much doesn't mean it's always a good play. But at the moment, we're looking on the 5 minute. It looks pretty good. How do you check this thing out? SING.
SIN. Which one?
SING.
SING is a pump and dump on Twitter, but yeah, it could run. Let me check it. Because the groups are pumping it. They're tagging so many people yesterday. So just be careful with that. And it was pumping yesterday, by the way. These guys were pumping it from $4.3 and it dropped about 100%.
Yeah, I just have it in purple here. I'll just notify.
Okay, so it could reverse, yes. To be honest with you, they probably pump it again.
It's
I like the
trying to break
area.
that
I like this area as well. This area of previous sport.
I'll get on Twitter.
Not a bad watch.
Whoever wants to look for
I'm gonna be careful with that. I'm just gonna
yeah,
watch
I
out.
probably won't. I'm just gonna avoid it then with you.
Yeah, just because of them. You don't know with them. They could dump it anytime. That's my only issue with it.
Yeah.
SMFL, let's go. Come on.
Paul, this one I'm expecting to reverse as well. I'm expecting a big run up on this. I cannot believe this play yesterday. How much did it run? Like 300% or something that I mentioned. I gave this a 205 yesterday as an alert. And it ran to 429% increase. Obviously, I didn't hold all the way to 400%. I actually sold at $4, I think. And I thought I made a lot of money, but obviously pretty much nearly tripled it. So insane. But yeah, this one is pretty much, it's a low risk play in my opinion, this poll. I mean, it's down 35%, but who cares? Look, it's ran 600% yesterday. So yeah, in my opinion, this one is probably gonna keep running. I think it's gonna run. I won't be.
PRZ was trying as well. So
I really like this. This poll is like high risk, high reward. Well, not high risk. It's just lotto plays kind of. It's a great lotto play in my opinion. This thing's done a madness recently. Would SMFL be close?
Lovely. Let's go. Yeah, it's already broke. It already closed above.
Yeah, there it is.
It closed around 2.54. So you should be up.
Entry candle here. This green candle.
Up 6%. I'm ready on that.
Oh, damn, you're in.
Yeah, scalping. Yeah, I told these guys we're scalping back above. Break, retest.
SFWL needs to hurry up. The last couple moves on Piezo jumping, what does that indicate? Piezo jumping?
Yeah, Piezo's looking good. He's looking good.
What does that indicate? If a price is going up, then that means the buyers are stepping in, pushing the price up. So yes, it looks good right now. Looks nice.
Wait for a pullback. This is a pullback. And wait for a close back above VWAP, and this should be good. Piezo.
This is respecting this pretty well. This demand zone on Piezo. What's the next? What levels do you have on this after 209? Oh, here we go. I got it.
2.4, 2.5, I think. That should be that.
3.59 is the high. So mark that. What is this? 2.7. 2.7 I have next. So these are your levels next. It's breaking out of a falling wedge as well, actually, as we speak. Damn, Pierce had a falling wedge, didn't even see it. Alt. This one's okay. This one's a very choppy play, in my opinion. It's just up, down, up, down. It doesn't really have a consistent trend at the moment. Here, for example, we can see that it's really just trying to fight this. What is this? 863. So that's just a clear indication that this is resistance. Personally, would wait for it to break above that level. If you get above that, then you can look for possible entries. You need to break, retest, and then push to the upside on that. But at the moment, it's just a gamble trying to enter now. Hope that'll break above. So I would
ANNX.
wait.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go, 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 go.
It needs to kind of base up a view up and it should run. DMK. Paul.
There's a lot of plays this morning. I have a lot here on the left hand side. Probably into open, I'll be watching like 5 of them. But we'll have to wait and see what market brings us at open. Guys, what do you think? Myself and Hans have been talking. Maybe tomorrow we might do it if we get... I know a lot of people want it. But we might do a live trading session for everyone. Pretty much on Twitter. We'll keep it limited to maybe like, I don't know how many people, maybe max 100, because the reason is because we're going to get a lot of people in there who's probably going to short plays. It's just going to be a bit chaos, and it's going to be a lot different in terms of the price action with our plays, right? Because there's going to be a lot of people in the plays at the same time. However, we are thinking of doing a live trading session where we do exactly what we do on in the Discord, where we give our entry, stop loss, and targets. You guys won't be able to see the stop loss because it's going to be in the Discord, but we will let you know this is what your first target is, and you guys can do it from there. But if I'll put out a tweet today and see if people want to do it. If we will, then we might end up doing it tomorrow. Just kind of the one last thing before we kind of close the Discord for the end of the year, and then having some changes moving on to next year. So kind of give you guys an intro and see what it's like with the live trading and how it is, because everyone asks, what do you do in it? It's very simple how we do it. So I think that will get you guys to join if you want to. It's up to you if you guys do. So yeah, that's kind of what we're thinking.
Yeah, PR0 is looking good, guys. It's looking good. It's closed above.
Same, your A and X going, by the way.
There's just 1.820 resistance, by the way, on PR0. PR0, there you go. Beautiful, beautiful.
Broke out that falling wedge. I didn't even see it.
ANX, ANX, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, ANX is nice. This was your falling wedge here on this. Yeah. Pierzo resistance, possible high. Yeah, here's your levels: $2, 209, and then I have room to 269. That's your next level. Yeah, welcome, bro. Welcome. I messaged you. I think, yeah, I messaged you about everything. So there's also a video for the new members. I just put it out today. There's a new video, so you guys can watch that. It's an intro video on basically how the disc works. It's a little long. It's like 15 minutes or so, but I'd rather cover everything so you guys can understand than just give you basically one or two things in Discord. So watch it, all new members. Here's the link as well. I know someone just joined now as well, so welcome. But here is the link if you want to. The welcome video is under welcome to premium, so you can see it there in the Discord, the video. Hook. Yeah, Hook's just like pretty much trading here. I'm not really too interested in at the moment. I wanted much over $1.
Yeah, the door. Let's go. Lovely.
Like this. Oh, it's actually setting for bullish pennant. Hook looks really good. Looks good. What else is there? Appears is that the only way to get your signals? Yeah, our signals all in the Discord. Entry, stop loss, targets, all in the Discord. You get alerts. It's basically like a text message. You get it if you turn notifications on. Yeah, if you just joined. Welcome, Robert, bro. Welcome. Make sure you, Robert, watch that video, the intro video. I know it's a little long, but just watch it because It just helps you understand what Discord, what to follow in the Discord, so you understand what's going on with alerts and basically how to read it all. ANNX, this one we're expecting breakouts, respecting this demand zone. Where's VWAP? It's just below VWAP, so it's just resistance right now. We need it to break above, then it should break that 440 easily. SXTP, a lot of people are talking about this. This used to be a former runner a few years ago, from what I remember. Because this one, we are just kind of trading in that range as I mentioned earlier. So I would wait for 170, which is that high. Otherwise, trying to enter now isn't worth it. I mean, you could maybe try and take some if it does pull back to this level and push up, but at the moment, I personally wouldn't enter. I have this MGTX on watch, Hassi. I don't know if you like it.
MGTX.
Yeah. All right, cool, Robert. Nice. If you have any questions about anything else I didn't cover, let me know. Yeah, MGTX is up 23%, but there's not really much.
It could be good into open. It could be good into open. The 5 minute is looking good.
You reckon? Let me see it.
Yeah. The 5 minute is looking nice.
It's got that 626 resistance, huh?
A lot of resistance there.
Did you? I have this MSAI, but I'm only waiting for 853. MSAI is like.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the
same.
same.
Other play. I'm just kind of waiting for it to break.
I played this yesterday. I think I gave it at 3 point something in the Discord.
Really?
Yeah, after
When
hours.
was it?
Check.
Oh, after hours.
Yeah. I literally go, guys. Look, entries here.
Oh yeah, I think I do. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, yeah. It was. Oh no, it was this morning for me.
And end up hitting 8.53.
This looks nice.
Crazy.
What else is there? Yeah, Sing. I'm not gonna really look at it. DMK. I'm not really interested in that. SMFL. What's SMFL doing, man? SMFL is kind of just sleeping. This is actually very bullish, this SMFL. It's in a channel down pattern. So with that being said, I know it sounds bearish, but this is a bullish reversal pattern. So
DMK is trying to go now.
Which one?
DMK. Should go now.
So we're doing this price action, right? And then we expect it to touch us here and then push to the upside on this channel. This is a bullish pattern, so that's what we expect. Ross, just look at the aggregate floor. It says Nature Ranger is very good. You don't know. Yeah, thanks, Ross, bro. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, SMFL looks nice. Hook's going, bro. Hook might go. This isn't a bullish pennant. I really like this setup. Hook. This is a very nice chart. Yeah, so this one we expect price to break out. So this is a continuation pattern. So as it is still bullish, that's why you just expect it to continue to go to the upside with the falling wedge, as opposed to falling wedge that was in a downtrend, then it switches to an uptrend. So that's why there's a difference on that. What is this hook? SFWL. I really like this setup. It looks nice. Why did you say that ANNX has room to 440? ANNX. Hassi, what do you say about this AANX 440? Yeah, so this is just a high. So since it's in a bullish chart pattern like this, right? I'm just talking on a technical basis. It doesn't mean that it will go there, but on a technical basis, this is a falling wedge. You do expect price to break out of this and push to the upside. 440 is just the high. That's where the next resistance level is. That's all. Why so vague on the changes next year? We're not being vague. We just haven't really decided yet. We haven't really had a talk about what we're going to do exactly. So I don't want to say something we're going to do if we're not going to do it yet. But something I can guarantee and tell you is that we are definitely keeping the spots limited. So probably maybe 10 a month, and then close it. That's what I can tell you for sure. So in terms of the price, I don't know if we are going to increase or not, but I can't guarantee if they will stay the same. That's all for now. Until I know, I'll let you know. It will be. I'll announce it. So that's all.
And don't worry, we won't hold you hostage and try to get you in. We just want people that actually listen, want to make money, That's the only people we're
Yeah, it's
interested
up to you guys if you join. We're just
in. We honestly could not care less.
yeah, it's completely up to you. I mean, we do this because we want to help you guys. Obviously, if you're interested, you're more than welcome to. Yeah, it's just there for you guys to decide if you want. MGTX Meso, man, Meso. I'm gonna keep this, guys. I would definitely keep this one on watch. I know it's kind of just, it's not the greatest price action right now. It's pretty much just coming down pretty low. Yeah, I would say $1 is your low point on this, but I'll definitely keep this one on watch. I'm just gonna keep my watch list. I wouldn't usually keep this kind of play on there, but I am going to for the sake. 88k. I'm not really interested in this. I know it's up 14%. I'm just gonna delete this one for now. I'm trying to just narrow down my plays because I have way too many that I'm watching.
DMK, let's go.
Which one?
DMK.
This one. SMFL is very bullish. This is a bullish chart. I like this. Yeah, SMFL looks like a great setup. Keep this one on watch, guys. SMFL.
Easiest money made ever. Easiest made.
Hook. Look at that wick. What happened there? What is it? Oh, 1 minute. I mean, 1 minute till that time happens. That is an ugly wick. Wow. To 0.9 exactly. SFW. Pirzo. Okay, Pirzo hasn't held. Inflation too high. Keep it the same. Inflation is too high.
If you're already in, it's still cheap for you.
Yeah, if you guys are existing members, the price won't change. You guys are
not gonna
fine.
change for you guys, of course. Why would it? We're not stupid.
MSAI.
We ain't waiting for no one because we're not changing it because we just want to keep the Discord limited.
Right, let's see what else there is. DMK acting up. Yeah, I don't know. For me, this isn't my kind of style of trade. It's very, very volatile. This is the type of play that's going to hold and then unhold and hold and unhold. But it's kind of like a high risk, high reward kind of play, in my opinion. I haven't even updated these levels. This has been here for a while. So I would have 110 here. I would mark this level. So here looks good. Where's the next levels on this? DMK. Let me just get some new levels on this. I'll clean it up. So 150 is kind of just that high point. Big psychological level as well. Any levels before that? Not really. We can mark this level here, which is pretty much 110. So if you break 110 and hold that into open, you probably should see all the way to you should see all the way to 150. I know it's a long way, but that's kind of what I have at the moment. SMFL, where we enter.
SMF is high. Just letting you know, SMF is high risks. Just be careful as well because it's it can move down instantly 10% or so. So if you look at the wicks, the sport is around NW up 8%, 9%. But if you want to look for entries, wait for a close back above 2.55, and you could possibly get entry. So there's a trend line currently being drawn. So wait for that close, kind of close above. Kind of enter
Yeah, well, I know a lot of people are going to watch it. It's up 229%. It should be going, man. I mean, this thing, it hasn't really had a pullback since, I guess the only pullback it's had since it ran up this morning is this. From here to here, which is 30%, which is only 30%. It's not that much on that. SFWL is right here. There's nothing's changed on it. It's still in this zone. Still like in this demand zone here. So looks like it's coming down, but yeah, just we should expect it to go. It's kind of market opening in like 30 minutes. Visa. This one always seems to run, but it doesn't really hold its gains, Tyrone, what I've noticed. See these little spikes off price? Look, so here, look, once it gets once there's the run up, look, there's the run up and then it came down. I think it did it again. Here, run up and came down. Here, run up and came down. Run up and came down, right? So
SMFL, not bad entries, guys.
I would definitely avoid this. Which one?
SMFL, not bad entries. 5% stop you to keep.
Yeah, I know. It's breaking out that channel down pattern right here. See, guys, see that Demanza that I have here? It's pretty much respecting what I had here the whole time, and then channel down pattern break, bang. You said 255 as well. What else is it? What was this? Pirzo. What's happening with Pirzo? This one, yeah. Pirzo ran 75% yesterday. It's up 42% again today. So Simply just continuation on this play. Nothing crazy on it. But there is a lot of plays moving at the moment. Don't get too distracted. You need to focus on really just 2 or 3 plays. You cannot watch everything. It's impossible to trade every single trade, every setup. What's happening with that Akon? Do you remember Akon yesterday?
Oh yeah,
This thing got killed.
that was actually good.
Akon's not really looking good. It's just downtrend. This is the one that ran yesterday. It's down 17%. So you just need to wait for, what is this? I'd have to wait for 0.35. It's quite a way away, but that's my confirmation. That big psychological level as well. So need to break 0.35 level. That's what I have on this. Any other movers right now? MSAI, Pierzo, Sing. Oh yeah, Sing you said avoid. Yeah, Sing I would avoid. SMFL, how's this one looking?
Imagine Singh runs 3,000%. That'd be funny.
That would be funny. Hook. I was gonna move Hook down here. Oh, man. Pierzo coming down. Nothing's really moving too much. AA and X is very wiki.
Visa is a runner, Visa.
Yeah, I saw it. Someone. I looked at it, but I mentioned that whenever it runs, it just comes straight back down by looking at the chart. ROI is not enough volume for me. Did run 40% yesterday, so it might run again today. Who knows? This 0.2 level, you could wait and see if that breaks again. 0.2 breaks 0.2, then you could be interested to look for possible entries again. Because at the moment you're just playing the downtrend, right? That's not what you want to do. You want to wait for it to break above the downtrend and basically trend reverse. And once that happens, then you can be like, okay, yesterday it ran. Now that it's breaking a downtrend, you can expect it to continue and run from yesterday. So that's kind of where I would look at it. But trying to enter down a downtrend is very, very difficult. How much you put in a trade? It just really depends on the market. I don't
I think
go with more
you put around 2 million, no, you per trade.
How much?
2-3 million.
Yeah, same.
About 17 million, I think, give or take.
No, I don't use really more than 25% of my account to go in a trade. So if you have a $100,000 account, you can work it out. If you have a $50,000 account, you can work it out. So I work out in percentages. It's just the easiest way to do it for people to basically teach them, because trying to full port every play does not work out well. There's no risk management. So yeah, I don't go in with more than 25% of my account. That's kind of where I'm at with it in each trade. What criteria do you use to have? What do you have to have? What criteria? Actually, you want to talk about the volume thing? You're good at that.
For volume, it depends. Average volume X flow compared to current volume. So you look at the current volume, look at the average volume. The current volume is much higher, and the current volume also. Let's say the current volume is 100 million and the flow is 20 million. This is good. If the current volume is 20 million and the flow is 100 million, this is not as good. It won't move as fast because we have more supply than we do demand. Right? 20 million volume, 100 million supply. 100 million volume, 20 million supply. So consider it that way. Your flow will dictate your volume.
SFW isn't a falling wedge. What is this low here? 467. Let's see. Probably it can come all the way down to 450 is at psychological level, so we'll put this 450. See what this does. Right here. Pierzo, what's happening Pierzo? Still coming down. I'm gonna keep this here. See if it holds this level. Holds us, then I'll be good. AANX, I'm personally actually just going to remove this. I don't like the price action on this. If it runs great, I'll add it to my watches again, but I'm kind of just trying to minimize and focus on just really some of the main setups that I like, because there's quite a lot going on right now. MGTX as well, I don't really care about it.
Keep an eye on EJH.
EJH. Why is that
Someone's
so
talking about Discord. Someone's talking about
Yo,
this.
this Meso might go, by the way. Meso's low risk entries here, guys, if you wanted to take it.
Meso.
Meso.
Was it MSAIA or Meso? Was it M?
M-E.
Oh,
If I left
okay. Just thinking. What is this baby?
This is trying to break out. So look, the reason why I say that is simply because I'm on the 5-minute chart. I found the falling wedge, which is my first indication. Second indication is found an area of support at the psychological level at 110. So we've held it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes of support. Now we're starting to push to the upside and we're starting to go. So yeah, I expect this to break out. Next resistance level is 124. That's what I have on that. How's SMFL doing? Hurry up. Focus on hot chicks, SMFL, hood, Piezo. Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing. Hook, I'm gonna maybe avoid unless it gets higher over $1, simply because when I give alerts in the Discord, right, we have a really tight stop loss, so 3%. Giving alerts like that, 3% moves are really common with these 1%, with these $1 stocks. So basically, if you got in $1, your stop loss is like 107 or 106, whatever it may be. So it's very difficult to give alerts, and you probably get stopped out or run straight away. So I kind of just avoid that unless it gives me a perfect entry. But scalping them it's fun scalping those $1 plays for sure. I agree. SMFL is actually in a falling wedge right now on the 1 minute. It looks very good. It should break out of this. I think this one's gonna go Hassie. I found your gamble play for you, Gimbal. Which one? Or you actually mean Gimbal? No, this is a no-go. Ooh, no. This is the ugliest chart I've ever seen. Tyrone. I don't think that's the one you're talking about there. Right, what's the time? Okay, yeah, we gotta end Discord. We're gonna do some live trading. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over my watches, Hassie will, and then after we're gonna head to Discord.
I was talking to myself all this time. SMFL, let's go.
Yeah, there goes the falling
EMK
wedge.
to SMFL,
So if
boom,
anyone
baby.
got in there at 255 when Hassie mentioned for entries, it's 4% move there. Should keep going. You have VWAP in the way, don't you? Oh no, you're
Nah, we was at the
oh,
bottom.
no, you're above it. No.
DMK today. Visa. ANNX. PRZO. ANNX, I'm not interested anymore. I'm on DDF on watch list.
Yeah, I did as well.
EJH is very interesting. Keep an eye on that.
SXTP looks good. So SXTP. So here, I'll go watch this. This one I like this one a lot. Hassie just mentioned it as well, which is I like the setup a lot. SFW, I like this setup as well. Yeah, it is coming down, but look, technically it is still in the falling wedge and come all the way down to 450, if that, right? So it's still a valid trade. It doesn't matter that it's coming all the way down. It's still, as long as it's in this wedge, it's fine. Piezo, this one's going to be on watch. 75% yesterday, 41 today.
Let's go.
It's gone. SXTP coming back to demand zone. This might be good possible edges if it comes down a little low. It's like 130. Meso, this one is pushing up. As I mentioned, this is possible entries on it. MSAI, still in the downtrend. I'm personally just going to wait for this A53. Otherwise, I won't really be interested in it. Pole, this one's a pretty much, I don't know, gamble for a lot
Congrats,
of
guys. Congrats on SMFL. You guys better have took that. Absolutely that. Great job, Cindy.
There we
Absolutely.
go. Great stuff, Hassie. There we go. That was it. That was the break you needed. Hook as well. You can watch this one if you want to. I'm kind of looking for this like above like 115 level would be ideal for me. Just because it's above $1 would be much more ideal. SMFL, this was very nice. It's pushing. It's pretty much broken out of this. Next level you have is 317. That's your next, like, I would say 305 next, and then 317. So this was a nice breakout on it. I did not enter, unfortunately, but nice job, Hassie. What else is there? AUVI, this is just on the watch list today. It's kind of dying off. And then what's one more? Let us know, Vance. Yeah, we'll let people know that the price will be increased. Don't worry about it. Just don't worry. If you want to join now, you can join. Iron and Ismail, nice. Well done, Cindy. Great job. ESPR. I really like ESPR as well. This is probably my favorite setup. It's been a solid trade all week, even last week. So look at this. Very bullish chart. Expecting it to continue to even 260 plus today easily. So keep this on and watch. Hassi, do you have any other plays you want to mention?
The best plays for me are obviously SMFL, Visa back over 0.1750, so mark that pre-market high, guys. DMK over 1.1 today, and the PRs that do over 2.1. Let's see what else it is. Yeah, that's it right now.
All right, perfect. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave the link here again if you want to join, and then also didn't hear if we join now. Price will not. Yeah, guys, the price will not change until if the price changes, we'll let you know. For those who join now, until if we do increase the prices, right? You guys are fine. If you get it now, you're fine. You're locked in until you cancel. That's all. So you're fine. If you join now, it's but yeah, that's it. I'm just saying we haven't organized we haven't talked if we are going to increase it. I'm not saying we are increasing it, but like I said, one thing that we will be doing is definitely limiting the spots for each month. That's it. So if we have 10 spots open for January, February, March, right? 10 spots. Once they're gone, and the Discord will be locked, and then we'll reopen spaces for the next month. That's it. So that's kind of what we're doing now. So yeah, take advantage.
Prices will not change for you that are already in there.
Yeah, existing members, you guys are fine. Guys, if you could do me one more favor, if you can like up the stream and then also subscribe if you haven't, I really appreciate it. Thanks.
Hit the like button.
Yeah, for sure. And thanks again for supporting us on Twitter, guys. We appreciate you guys. Welcome new followers. Yeah, tomorrow is my last trading day for the year. I won't be trading next week at all. On my Twitter, I'll just be posting threads. I have a couple threads written out, so that'll be my content, I guess, for next week, once a day, and some flashcards to keep myself active for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. I think Hassi is trading as usual, but
I should do pre-market. I'll do pre-market thingy.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, we're gonna head to Discord. I hope you guys have a great day. We will catch you all tomorrow.